In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable an active merchant processor in Wix. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Wix account so you can access your main dashboard. This is the central area where you manage your website settings, business tools, and payment options. Once you're inside the main Wix dashboard interface, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site if you manage more than one. That helps avoid making changes to the wrong project. From the dashboard, look for the settings area. This is where Wix keeps many of the core controls for your site, including business and payment related options. Click into settings and then find the accept payments option. This section is specifically designed for managing the payment methods connected to your site, so it's the right place to go when you need to update or remove a payment processor. After opening accept payments, you'll see the payment setup area where your available and connected merchant processors are listed. At this stage, your goal is to locate the active merchant processor connection that you want to disable. Depending on your setup, you may see one or several gateways connected, so read the names carefully and confirm you're looking at the correct one before making any changes. As you review the configuration module for that payment gateway, pay close attention to which processor is currently active. This is especially important if your store or booking system relies on a specific provider, because disabling the wrong connection can interrupt the checkout experience for customers. If needed, pause for a second and verify the gateway details shown on screen. Once you've found the correct active merchant processor connection, you're in the right place to move forward with disabling it. The key here is simply identifying the correct gateway configuration module within the accept payment settings so you can manage that connection safely and accurately. A helpful tip before you continue is to make sure you understand how this change